In this video, I'll show you 5 sound design techniques to get that industrial metal sound like Ministry, Rammstein, or Godflesh. And at the end, I'll put it all together into a track. Let's go. That's a technique that Rammstein uses a lot, especially on their earlier albums like Sehnsucht or Herzeleid, combining palm-muted riffs with arpeggiated synth sequences. First, you need a solid rhythm guitar track. For that classic Rammstein vibe, go for a tight palm-muted chug. The key is to choose the synth sound that complement the guitars rather than overpower them. Noise rhythms are essentially rhythmic patterns made from distorted, filtered, or modulated noise. This is a technique used a lot by Nine Inch Nails on the Downward Spiral or Broken. They are a staple in industrial music. Repeating noises or samples in industrial metal are used to create a mechanical, hypnotic, or chaotic effect. This could be anything from a metallic hit, like Fear Factory used in the intro of Piss Christ, for example. Using a sample from Terminator's soundtrack. Another band that used a lot of repeating samples and noises is Ministry, with Thieves being a perfect example. Layering synth with guitars is one of the most common techniques in industrial metal. Producers like Clayton from Circle of Dust, Mick Gordon, or more recently Three Teeth used it a ton. The key is to match the energy and the aggression of the guitars while keeping the mix balanced. The synth should add movement without overpowering the mix. Ambient drones are long, sustained tones. Video game soundtrack use this a ton. Think of them as the glue that ties your track's element together. For drones, I like to use white noise, pitch it down, and add distortion. Sounds instantly like a spaceship. Alright, so now let's use these 5 techniques and make a track with them. Let's go.